How do I redeem my Apple gift card on my iPhone? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can redeem your Apple gift card on your iPhone. Now let's say you have an Apple gift card or your App Store gift card. You're trying to figure out the way so you can buy some of the apps by using your redeem code. It's very easy to do so. Now keep in mind that I'm talking about an Apple Store gift card, so in that case what you have to do is just go ahead and launch the App Store app on your iPhone, obviously, and once you launch your App Store app, you want to make sure to sign into your Apple ID. As you do that, you have to tap on your Apple ID profile icon, which is at the top right hand side of the screen, and as you tap on the Apple ID profile icon, here you will find the option that says redeem gift card or code. Now previously we had to go into our account settings to find the redeem option, but now due to the recent iOS update, we can find the option just outside of our profile icon. You don't have to go ahead and enter all those passwords manually. So this time what you want to do is just tap on redeem gift card or code. Now it doesn't matter what kind of code you have, whether it's an iTunes gift card or whether it is an Apple Store gift card, as long as you have the code with you, you can go ahead and enter them and redeem them over here. Now if you want to use a camera because you have a QR code, you can tap on the use camera button and then make sure to place your QR code or your gift card just at the back side of your camera over here. Once you place them, your iPhone's camera is going to scan them and then redeem them accordingly. Or else if you're very unsure about that because your camera is not functioning properly, well in that case also you can go ahead and tap on the enter code manually button. As you tap on the enter code manually, this time you want to go ahead and then simply enter your code correctly, because this time it's not an automated scan. You have to make sure to enter the digits correctly and just tap on the redeem button. That's all it takes to redeem your Apple gift card on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.